So if you run an online business, you know that your entire business pretty much runs on calls. So everything from sales calls, client calls, and team calls. But something I realized recently is that most of us completely waste them. Not because the calls aren't valuable, but because once the call ends, everything just disappears. So all the ideas you had, all the things the client said, all the objections and decisions. And without realizing it, you end up losing a lot of really valuable information. So in this video, I want to show you a tool that I've started using that basically turns every call I take into something that I can actually reuse to grow the business. And the best part, it does all of this automatically without me doing any extra work. And this is so important because your calls are where the best information in your business lives. This is where clients tell you what they're actually struggling with. This is where prospects tell you what's stopping them from buying, and this is where some of the best and most unique content ideas are naturally found. But like I mentioned earlier, the problem is most of this gets forgotten. You forget things that were said, you forget ideas that you had mid-call, you forget specific phrases that your prospects used. And let's be real, even if you do record your calls, realistically, you're not going back and watching them again. So all of that key information and insights go to waste. And this is exactly why I started using Granola. And honestly, it's become one of my most useful AI tools that I've added to my workflow this year. Especially since most of my business runs on calls. Because now, instead of calls just being temporary conversations, they actually turn into usable assets for the business. And the best part, it runs automatically and quietly in the background. On top of that, there's no weird bot joining your calls and there's no complicated setup. And if you want to follow along with this tutorial, I've put a link in the description below where you can try Granola for free. So with that said, let me show you exactly how I use this. So firstly, the way I think about calls now is really simple. Every call should produce three things: decisions, next steps, and assets. And this is exactly what Granola helps me do automatically. So for example, let's look at sales calls, because these contain some of your best market research. This is where people tell you what they've already tried, what didn't work, what they're struggling with, and what's stopping them from moving forward. And the best thing about this is Granola captures all of this information automatically. So let me show you exactly how I use this. So let's say I open one of my past sales calls and right away we can see Granola has already organized everything neatly for us. So here I can see a summary of the conversation, the key points, and the action items. But where this gets really powerful is using the built-in chat feature. So for example, let's say I want to write a follow-up message to my prospect. So instead of trying to remember everything manually, I can just ask, write a follow-up message based on this sales call. And just like that, it's going to generate a follow-up based on their exact situation. So everything from what they said, what they're struggling with, and what they're trying to achieve. So having all of this information is also really useful for improving your marketing, because I can ask, what objections did this person have? And now Granola is going to clearly show me what was holding them back. And if I start seeing this same objection come across multiple calls, that tells me exactly what I need to fix. So maybe I need to improve my sales page. Maybe I need to create content addressing that objection. Or maybe I need to explain something more clearly on the call. So by using a tool like Granola, your calls stop being just sales calls and they start becoming feedback that helps improve your business. That said, Granola has also been super useful for coming up with content ideas. Because honestly, your best content ideas don't come from sitting there trying to think of ideas. Instead, they come from real conversations. And again, Granola makes this extremely easy, so let me show you how I've been using it. So again, let's open up one of my past calls here, and instead of rewatching the whole thing, I can just use the chat feature here and type in something like, what content ideas can I create based on this conversation? And now you'll see that Granola generates a list of actual content ideas based on what the person said. And here you can also get more specific. So for example, I can ask, what questions did they ask during this call? And now I can turn each of these into YouTube videos, Instagram posts, tweets, LinkedIn posts, or even emails. That said, Granola is also useful if you work with clients. Because normally after a client call, you have to manually write recap messages, covering what you discussed. So everything from what they need to do and what happens next. And this not only takes time, but it's easy to forget things. But again, with Granola, after a call ends, I can go here and run a recipe. So for example, I'm going to click this one called Client Recap. And now it'll generate a clean summary that I can send directly to the client. And as we can see, it includes everything from what we discussed, the key decisions, action items, and next steps, all neatly organized and structured automatically. That said, one of my new favorite features is that Granola connects directly to ChatGPT or Claude. And this is so powerful because it allows your AI to understand your real business context. That said, you will need to be on one of the pro plans to use this, but if you sign up using the link in the description below, you can get your first month on the Granola plan completely free. And to set this up, all you need to do is click on your profile, go to settings, and here you're going to see there's an option for MCP. So to use it, you need to go to the AI platform you're using. And for this example, I'm just going to head over to Claude and then click on the plus icon. From here, go down to connectors and click manage connectors. From there, go to the top right and click browse connectors. Now you should see Granola pop up here, but if you don't, you can simply type in Granola into the search bar here and then just click connect. From here, this will open up a new tab where you will need to allow access. So once you've done that, go back to Claude and click the plus icon again, then go to connectors, and you'll now see that Granola is successfully connected. With that said, after adding Granola to my workflow, the biggest mindset shift for me is that calls don't need to be temporary anymore. Because now with Granola, every call becomes something useful. It's something I can learn from and something that improves the business without me doing any extra work. And again, if you want to try out Granola for yourself, you can click the link in the description below to get your first month on a Granola plan completely free.